Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get money back on Western Union. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top right corner, you can see that we have these three lines where you can go and check out your history, settings, and all of those things. We have the logout option and the language changer, and send money online option in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get money back on Western Union. So go to Western Union website or open the Western Union mobile app and log into your account as I told you in the start of the video. Then navigate to your recent money transfer activity. So basically you need to go to the top right corner and here find the recent, of course, activity or history or however you of course want to go and call it. Then when of course you will have some, I don't have at the moment because I don't have any history, but it will be here. Of course you need to go and log in here again when you click. So basically it's a bit of a slow website, but when you click here you will get, as you can see here, the history. Then you need to go in the transfer is still pending and hasn't been picked up or deposited. You should go and see a cancel transfer or refund link. Click on the link and follow the instructions to cancel the transfer. If you don't see the cancel transfer or the refund link, or if the transfer has been already picked up, contact the, of course, customer service. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything. Bye guys.